بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
Assalamu alaikum to all my YouTube family. Today is the first day of a new Islamic year, and I want to greet you in different languages as I have my YouTube family members belonging to different parts of the world. Some belongs to the area where the language is Hindi or Urdu as I speak in my daily life. Therefore, for them, Naya Saal Mubarak, Naya Islami Saal Mubarak. And many other live in English countries, in countries where English is the basic language. For them, I greet them Happy New Islamic Year. Others live in parts eastern to Pakistan, eastern to India, in Singapore, in Thailand, in Philippines, in China. For these people, especially my YouTube family members living in Philippines, I want to greet them with the words, with the speaking Filipino in words. If I'm wrong, you have a right to correct me. But first, listen. First, you listen first, you hear the greetings. The greetings are many gong. Simple words, many gong. But I may say many gong, begong, town. And at the last, but not the least, for my Brazilian members, for the members living in South America, the feelings, the greetings are Feliz Ano Novo. And I think you all appreciate my effort. And with these words, I want to say goodbye. But before leaving, I want to end the video with the prayer that our holy prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has taught us. He says, whenever you welcome a new year, welcome it with the prayer, and the prayer goes, Allahumma adkhilhu alayna bil amni wal iman was salamati wal islam wa rizwanim minar rahman wa jiwarim minash shaitan wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum.